Okay guys, so my mom is making some curry chicken for me, and she's gonna show me how she burn the curry so the baby don't have running belly.
This is garlic and ginger.
Okay, so she put garlic and ginger, and then now she's gonna add the curry. So that's the curry.
So I just put a spoon, like, you know, and put it over like this.
Okay.
Just curry first.
How long you burn the curry for, mommy?
Like a minute or two.
Okay.
Yeah, you put it on low.
Alright, so mommy season up the curry chicken. So the curry chicken here, guys.
Look here, your followers, them don't talk about people curry. Me tell you something. The curry here in the States is not the same like in Jamaica. Okay? You don't get the same color curry. The curry here is way different. The one in Jamaica have a much yellow looking color. So not care how much curry you put on the meat. I saw it go look.
Alright, so curry in. Looking good. When I can't smell it.
Oh Lord. Why you teasing people about if they can't smell it?
Alright, update from the curry. Mommy add in our scotch bonnet and our carrot them, so now I just wait for share it out in my plate. Alright, so the curry I finish up now, guys. So soon me I about for showing it on the plate. You ready? Alright, got me ready. Alright, so dinner is served, and this is what the curry chicken is looking like with the rice. Food ready. Thank you, mommy. And this is Ella's dinner.
Come, baby. Here. Thank you.
You're no